Hey guys, my name's James and this is my vlog. Alright, it is about 6:30 a.m. I am about to go into work, but in the back here, I got some wood. I'm gonna do a beach bonfire at La Jolla Shores tonight. So that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna head over there right after work. So I'll see you in about 8 hours. Alright. 8 hours later. I'm done with work. Heading to the beach right now. Gonna set up camp, get my spot. Hopefully no one's there. That's always nice, but it's always nice to try to get there as soon as possible to claim the spot and then have the bonfire later in the night. So let's see how that works. The beach. Checked for spots and there's no spots. I think I'm gonna head back home. I have some stuff to do. Before I go, check this out. It's a pink bus. And it's called Surf Diva. It's a bus, and there's like a bunch of girls that got into it, and they all had their surfboards, and they're done surfing for the day. Pretty cool. I might just have to get my own bus and call it Surf Guys. I don't know. Oh, this day just turned into a complete day of confusion. Currently in traffic. Stop and go, bumper to bumper, trying to get to another spot in hopes that there's open pits there. I don't know if there's going to be, I don't know. Oh, I hate traffic, but it helps when you have really good music. Found an open spot at Shelter Island, so that's good. Woo. Now I'm gonna unload all the wood, change into some more comfortable clothes, not work clothes. So yeah, check it out though. Alright, here at the beach, beautiful day, and I think this bonfire is going to be a thing. Got a spot, everything's all set up, everything that I brought for the most part. I have 2 of 3 trash cans full of wood over here. Fire pit, another chair, cooler, and then there's an extra one. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Haley's here.
Mango orange. Oh, mango. Scenario was the last summer where I can just like go over to his house if I wanted to, and like hang out. And, like,
Where's Trevor?
like,
People came to the bonfire. I'm gonna tell my mom that I have more than just one friend. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Amelia, this is Amelia. All those.
from the Grace video.
Make sure you check it out.
That's me.
Oh, here's Trevor.
No.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe.
I'm back.
New vlogs every week. Check it out. Later.